We'll guide you through how to use LUTs in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, you need to download LUTs from a website. So just go to any browser to your liking and you can download it through websites like upbits.io or any other trusted LUT provider. And once you are on the website, make sure to sign in with your account. And now browse through the available LUTs pack. And you can just preview it by just hovering over them just like so. So let's say I want to download this particular LUT. I'll just click on it and click on download and choose download for free and just click on download and you will see our download has been successfully finished. Now most LUT will download as a zip file, so just go to your download location by just clicking on the folder icon and just choose to extract it first. So select your destination and extract it. And after extracting, you will see two folders. Just go to the assets and you will see your LUT, which is usually .cube file. These are your LUT files. So now just go ahead and open your Davinci Resolve and go to the color page from the bottom, just like so. And after you have done that, in the top panel, you will see the LUTs tab. It is usually on the left hand side. So just click on LUTs and you will see your LUTs, and this is where all your LUTs are managed. Now we need to install the LUT into Davinci Resolve. Now go to the bottom right corner and click on your settings and go to color management. And from here, choose to open your LUT folder. This will open the folder where Davinci Resolve stores all of your LUTs. So now you can just go ahead and create a new folder, or you can just paste your LUT file directly. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new folder and name it something like guide and hit enter. Now I'll just go to my downloads and go to my folder and just copy the asset by selecting and pressing Ctrl X to cut, and I will just go to my LUT folder and I will just paste it inside my folder by pressing Ctrl V. And after I have done that, I can just go to Davinci Resolve and just close this window, or before closing this window, just click on update list and click on save. Once that you have done that, in the LUTs panel, now you should see your LUT, which in my case was going to be guide, and you can see we have successfully added our LUT. So now to use LUT, you can just click and drag it over into your node and leave it just like so. Once that you have done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and preview it. You will see we have successfully applied LUTs to our video file in Davinci Resolve. You will immediately see your footage change based on the LUT style. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to download, install and use LUTs in Davinci Resolve. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.